you sincerely want to seek knowledge. For example, let's say I heard this lecture today. I go home. I want to sincerely be on that path of seeking knowledge. But on a day-to-day basis, my wants and my desires come in between. Then I tend to disregard the importance of seeking knowledge.
So there are things I believe that everybody goes through. Everyone goes through that futur, times when things are high and then they go a bit low. We all know the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, when the Sahabi told him, and he informed the Prophet, he said, Ya Rasulullah, when we're with you, our iman is big and high, but when we leave your gatherings, we have a dip in our iman. And then the Prophet ﷺ said to the companion, if you guys were the way that you were with me at your houses, the angels will come down and they would greet you. But what I do say is, إِذَا مَرِضْنَا تَدَاوَيْنَا بِذِكْرِكُمْ وَنَتْرُكُ الذِّكْرَ أَحْيَانًا فَنَنْتَكِسُ. I would say you definitely read the stories of the righteous people. If you look at the Quran, whenever the Prophet ﷺ went through certain moments of his life, Allah will tell him in the Quran, نَحْنُ نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ أَحْسَنَ الْقَصَصِ بِمَا أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ وَكَذَلِكَ أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ رُوحًا مِنْ أَمْرِنَا مَا كُنْتَ تَدْرِي مَا الْكِتَابُ وَلَا الْإِيمَانُ وَلَكِنْ جَعَلْنَاهُ نُورًا نَهْدِي بِهِ مَنْ نَشَاءُ مِنْ عِبَادِنَا وَإِنَّكَ لَتَهْدِي إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ. Allah will strengthen the Prophet by mentioning to him stories of the Prophets before, and that would help him. So if you read the biographies of the great Imams, like Imam Malik, for example, and how he sought knowledge and what type of person he was, then inshallah ta'ala it would encourage you and strengthen you. So I think also musahaba, companionship of the righteous people. If you're with good people, that's what they do for you. They encourage you and they boost your iman. Sah? And we all know the famous hadith, the hadith of Abu Musa al-Ash'ari, مَثَلُ الْجَلِيسِ الصَّالِحِ وَالْجَلِيسِ السُّوءِ. They like the example of the good friend and a bad friend. Sah? The good friend, he was going to benefit you. He's going to bring you what? He's going to bring you a lot of, like, he's going to say, Akhi, do this. Why you not memorize this? I memorize this. You memorize this. If Allah is telling the Prophet to be friends with his companions, like, وَاصْبِرْ نَفْسَكَ مَعَ الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ رَبَّهُمْ بِالْغَدَاةِ وَالْعَشِيِّ يُرِيدُونَ وَجْهَهُ وَلَا تَعْدُ عَيْنَاكَ عَنْهُمْ تُرِيدُ زِينَةَ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَلَا تُطِعْ مَنْ أَغْفَلْنَا قَلْبَهُ عَنْ ذِكْرِنَا وَاتَّبَعَ هَوَاهُ وَكَانَ أَمْرُهُ فُرُطًا. Be friends with the good people. وَاصْبِرْ نَفْسَكَ مَعَ الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ رَبَّهُم. Then what do you think about me and you? Sah? Especially in this kind of environment, you want to be with people of great knowledge and understanding and comprehension. Sah? That's what you don't. Also, coming to lessons. If you just say, I'm going to learn everything myself, a lot of the times today people are studying only online. Try to come to the majalis al-ilm. This place, your iman will increase. It will increase your iman, it will increase your enthusiasm, and it will push you forward. So yes, definitely, those are the things that... because if you look at the Suwar al-Salaf, stories of the Siyar al-Salaf, the Siyar al-Salaf, the stories of the pious predecessors, you'll be amazed. من كان مستنا فليستنى بمن قد مات فإن الحي لا تؤمن عليه الفتنة أولئك أصحاب محمد أبر هذه الأمة قلوبا وأعمقها علما وأقلها تكلفا اختارهم الله تبارك وتعالى لصحبة نبيه. These are the people Allah chose. So when you read their biography, you're going to be like, why did Allah choose Abu Bakr and Umar and Uthman to be around the Prophet and you and I were not chosen? You think about it, you look into their story, it will help you a lot.